In this video, you will learn how to provide accommodations in Brightspace to your students within the Quizzes and Assignments tool. For quizzes, this includes providing extra time and attempts for specific students, as well as adjusting quiz dates or making quizzes available only for those same specific students. For assignments, this includes adjusting dates or making an assignment available only to specific students. There are two ways to provide extra time on exams or quizzes in Brightspace. The first option is through the Class List tool. Here you can provide extra time to particular students, which will apply to every exam they take in the course. To do this, select the arrow next to a student's name in the class list and choose Edit Accommodations. Then select Modify Time Limit and here you can multiply the original quiz time by a specific amount. For example, by typing 2, the quiz time would be multiplied by 2 for the student. Or, you can provide an extra amount of time by typing in the extra minutes that they would receive on quizzes. When you are finished, select Save. The second option to provide extra time can be done by editing a specific quiz in the Exam and Quiz area. Please note that this option will only apply extra time to a specific quiz. To begin, select the arrow next to a quiz and choose Edit. Then, in the Availability Dates and Conditions section, select Manage Special Access. Then choose the option Allow selected users special access to this quiz, and then choose Add users to special access. In the Timing section that appears, select Override Time Limit. Here you can choose either a new time limit, a multiplier amount, or the amount of extra time the student will receive. Whichever field you choose will automatically change the others. In addition to providing extra time, you can also change the behavior of what happens when the time limit is exceeded in the Timing section. Then, in the User section, select the students you wish to apply the extra time to for this quiz. When you are finished, select Save. Please be sure to also save the changes in the general exam or quiz. If you would like to edit any dates associated with an exam or quiz for specific students, you can do so by editing that quiz and selecting the Manage Special Access button in the Availability Dates and Conditions section. Then you can select Allow selected users special access to this quiz, and then choose Add users to special access. Once here, you can adjust any dates for specific students. Then in the User section, you can choose the users who these dates will apply to. Once finished, you can select Save, and then make sure all changes are applied by saving your exam or quiz. If a student requires additional attempts on an exam or quiz, you can edit the specific exam or quiz, and then under the Availability Dates and Conditions section, select Manage Special Access. From here, you can select Allow selected users special access to the quiz, and then choose Add users to special access. In the Attempts area, select the checkbox for Override Attempts Allowed. Then you can choose how many attempts you can provide your select students. After you've provided the amount of additional attempts, select Apply. From here, you can move down to the User section where you can choose the students this will apply to. After selecting these students, select Save. Please be sure to also save the changes made in the specific exam or quiz. If you need to make an exam or quiz viewable only to specific students, you can do so by editing an exam or quiz, and then in the Availability Dates and Conditions section, select Manage Special Access. This time, you can select Allow only users with special access to see this quiz. Then choose Add users to special access. From here in the User section, select the students who this exam or quiz will be viewable to, and then choose Save. After everything is saved, make sure to also save the changes in the specific exam or quiz for all of your changes to take effect. If you would like to edit any dates associated with an assignment for specific students, you can do so by editing that assignment, and go to the Availability Dates and Conditions section. From here, select Manage Special Access. Then choose Allow users with special access to submit outside the normal availability dates for this folder. And then select Add users to special access. From here, adjust the dates for this assignment that specific students will need. Once these have been selected, go to the User section and select the students who these dates will apply to. After selecting these students, select Save. Then make sure to also finalize the changes in the specific assignment by saving that as well. If you have an assignment that only specific students will need to complete, you can edit the assignment, and in the Availability Dates and Restrictions section, you can choose Manage Special Access. Then you can choose the option titled Allow Only Users with Special Access to see this folder. And then choose Add Users to Special Access. In the Users section, select the students who this assignment will apply to and choose Save. After everything is saved, make sure to also save the changes in the specific assignment to make sure your changes are applied. Thank you for watching. For more Brightspace related content, please subscribe to our channel.